Welcome to Chef Bimal Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare Indian dessert recipe which is Gajar Ka Halwa, or you can say Gajar Ka Halwa, and this recipe is very yummy and very simple to make. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. So first of all, I have taken 4 pieces of carrot which have been peeled already. Now I have taken one grater and I am going to grate all the carrot. So you can see carrot is ready now. Now I have taken one pan and I am going to add 125 ml of clarified butter, or you can say ghee. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of almond, 1 tablespoon of cashew nut, 1 tablespoon of pistachio, and 1 tablespoon of raisin. Now I am going to saute it on very slow flame, otherwise it is going to be burnt. So it has been ready now. Now I am going to strain it under a strainer, and I am going to add carrot into it. And I am going to saute it well. Now I have taken 250 ml of milk and I am going to add it. Now I am going to mix it well. Now I am going to add 250 gram of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, now I am going to mix it well. Now I am going to add 100 gram of khoa and I am going to mix it again. So now Gajar Ka Halwa is almost ready now. Now I am going to serve it into serving bowl. And finally I am going to garnish it with cashew nut, almond, pistachio and raisins. So carrot halwa is ready now. It looks so yummy and very simple to make. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.